Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how to open or create Purplely accounts. So if you want to create accounts on this platform, follow me in this guide. Go to Google, search for Purplely. This is the keyword. Click the first website here. You will see this page. Click on login option. After that, you have sign up a student or tutors. For a student, click the first one. From the section, just write your email and password. I want to write my information here. Write your email and password as I say. And when you after write your email and password, friends, write your all details. Write your password. After write your password, click on sign up. And then when you write your email, all details here, friends, write your sign up as I say. When you write your sign up, you will redirect it to this page. This page, as you can see here, write your English and then find your tutors English and then choose your goals for your open accounts and then choose all details and then click continue. Basically, this is how you can do to create accounts. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video. Choose your country here, click continue. Any question down below in the comment and I will answer your question as soon as possible.